Fix Marvel Rivals stuttering, freezing, lagging, or FPS drop. So how to fix Marvel Rivals stuttering, freezing, lagging, or FPS drop? It's easy and simple. Now, first of all, we need to know that our laptop is be able to run the game. Now, how to make sure that for that? Now go and open Steam. Now go to store. Now search for Marvel Rivals like that. Now click on the game. After that, scroll down until you find this requirement. Now make sure your laptop is be able to or meet the minimum requirements to be able to run the game. Now if your laptop is meet this minimum requirement, now go and let's dive in the another solution. So the other solution is by the second, or the other solution is using the ISLC to clear memory standby list. ISLC is a free tool that can help managing clear the memory standby list on Windows ecosystem. Now, after that, what we need to do is by disable power throttling laptop users. So how to do that? Just go in this bottom bar and now click on it. Now click on the battery icon, and in the power mode, set it as the best power efficiency. So after that, restart your PC and play the game without no freezing, lagging, or FPS drop. So this is how to fix Marvel Rivals stuttering, freezing, lagging, or FPS drop. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.